Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to clean a car dashboard. We will clean with soap and a sponge. Take a container of water and foam the soap. Then apply foam to the dashboard and clean the surface. Friends, but before starting the video, subscribe to the channel, put like, and don't forget to put a bell so as not miss new video on the channel. Friends, after this blast, the carburetor will be perfectly clean. And you just don't damage the electric end. Then, friends, we proceed the detail with a special tools. This protects them from drying out, gives the original color, and does not collect dust. That's all guys, subscribe to our channel, put like, and don't forget to put a bell so as not miss new video on the channel.